Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Asian style chicken noodle soup or ก๋วยเตี๋ยวไก่ So let's get started. Today I'm going to use the leftover chicken. Yeah. So I have the leftover chicken from the dinner or from the holiday season, and you have the leftover turkey or leftover chicken. So I have the leftover chicken, and like I said, you can use the turkey meat also. All right, so we're going to start with the chicken broth. Now I already have the chicken broth put in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the high heat, let them a little bit boil. I use a 9 cup of the chicken broth. Okay, but I'm not going to use the chicken right now, so I'm going to set this on the side and we're gonna seasoning our chicken broth. Okay, first I'm going to seasoning them with the preservative cabbage. Inside here they have the cabbage, salt and garlic, and they fermented all together and coming look like this, just like this. Okay, only 3 ingredients. If you remember, I used this thing from another recipe before, so I'm going to use the 2 tablespoons. Okay, they will give you like I mean, if you don't have it, you can skip this one, but if you have it, they make very different from the Asian noodle soup. So I'm gonna put the 2 spoons. And the soy sauce today, I use the shiitake mushroom flavored soy sauce. Like same thing, if you don't have the shiitake mushroom flavored, you can use whatever soy sauce that you have. So I'm going to put the 2 tablespoons. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, and next I'm going to put some salt. I will use the 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sea salt. Okay, and just let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, after I let it simmer about 5 minutes, now I'm going to taste our chicken broth. Okay. They're good. Because some of the chicken broth might taste different. Some is more salty, some is not salty. After you already taste your chicken broth, how salty, the way that you like. So next, I'm going to add some carrot. Okay, I have 2 small carrot. I have a yellow carrot and the white carrot. Okay, I put it all in. This is gonna be easy and simple chicken noodle soup, the Asian style. Okay, now I'm going to let the carrot cooking in the chicken broth for just a few minutes. So I'm gonna put the lid on, let them simmer all together. All right, and now we have time to shred our chicken. While our carrot cooking, now I'm gonna come back and shred our chicken. This is a leftover chicken. You can use leftover turkey also. Okay, so because for the holiday season, Thanksgiving, I know every house always have the leftover chicken or leftover turkey. So this is gonna be like nice Asian chicken noodle soup and very easy. And for the noodle in Thailand, we have a lot of recipe for the noodle. A lot of vendor, a lot of little noodle shop. Every corner in Thailand, if you walk over there, street food, restaurant, a little cart, always noodle. You can have a noodle soup, you can have the dry noodle, so many different kind. You cannot even try them all because they're too many. So, and this noodle soup is everybody can make it because it's very good, and also it's nice and easy to make, and you can use the leftover chicken or leftover turkey, and I keep saying that again and again. Okay, so now I'm done shredding our chicken, so we can move on to the next step. All right, let's put this on the side again. All right, and let's check our broth. Okay, still simmer, and now I'm going to remove the little extra foam up here. Okay, I want our broth to be clear and very nice and clear, so they have the little foam here coming up, so I'm going to remove. Okay, and I always keep them the simmer. And also I forget to tell you, when you taste broth, you not go too salty, because we're going to add some seasoning later again, so just going little bit lightly salty, so we can add another seasoning again. That's it. We prepare everything. We done making the broth. We have everything ready. And I'm sorry, a little bit the small space over here, so the camera have to moving around a little bit, but I will show you everything. So like now we just have to put everything together. And also this will be nice and easy chicken noodle soup, because we use a leftover, so you can use your favorite vegetable or your favorite meat that you have the leftover. Okay, so now I'm going to put everything together. So the vegetable that I have in my house today is a cabbage and the baby spinach. So I cherish the cabbage to be the thinly sliced. Alright, so now I'm gonna cook them a little bit in the hot water. Okay, just much that you like, it's up to you. Okay, just going to cook them for about 30 seconds. Remove all the sting flavor from the cabbage. Okay, for about 30 seconds. When your cabbage change the color, now I can add into the bowl. Okay. Okay. You can use your favorite vegetable. You can use kale, you can use celery, whatever you have in your house. Okay. Okay, and next I'm going to same thing, I'm going to put the baby spinach. You can use mother you like, or you just like the little bit. The spinach very quick and easy too. It's just about like 10 seconds. Okay, and put in the bottom at the bowl too. Okay. Alright, and next I'm going to cook the noodle. You can use your favorite noodles, your rice noodle or whatever noodle that you have in your pantry. Today I use the rice noodle. Okay, the one that we make first. Right, and for the noodle, same thing. You can use a little bit or you can use a lot. It's up to you. I use a big handful the rice noodle. Okay, rice noodle going in. This rice noodle doesn't take long at all to cook because they fresh. Okay, and then they will continue cook more inside the hot broth, so it's just about 30 seconds. And now you're done. I'm gonna put on top of our vegetable. Okay, I'm going to make the one bowl at a time, so everything go inside the bowl. And next I'm going to add our garlic in the garlic oil, the crispy garlic in the oil, so your noodles not stick together. Okay, and give you very good flavor too. Okay, so I don't want the noodles to stick together, so I just mixing the oil all around the noodles so they not stick together. And the garlic oil and the crispy garlic, it will make your noodle taste a lot better too. Okay, next our leftover chicken. Okay, I'm going to just warm them up a little bit inside our chicken broth. For the chicken, you can use less, or you can use little bit, or you can use more. It's up to you. So I'm just going to, they already cooked, so just gonna warm them up a little bit inside the broth. Okay, just 30 seconds. Okay, alright, and then go on top of your noodle. Yep, just like this. And now time to put our chicken broth in here. And don't forget you have the sliced carrot inside there too. Whoop. Just put some carrot too. And for the broth, you can, same thing. This is an easy recipe and you make it at home. You can use less or you can use more, it's up to you. And now we can put our cilantro and the green onion for the topping. Okay, so I have the sliced cilantro and the green onion. Put for the topping. Alright, if you don't like this one, just skip them. I'm going to put the white pepper on top a little bit. Okay, so I'm making Thai style chicken noodle soup, so I'm going to add the Thai condiment. Okay, when you go to Thailand, every noodle shop, you're going to see the Thai condiment is like chili flakes, fish sauce, some sugar, sometimes they have the vinegar for you, some peanuts, some lime. Okay, so now I'm going to put everything together and make our noodle taste a lot like a Thai and a lot better. Okay, first I'm going to add 1 tablespoon the fish sauce. Okay, if you don't like fish sauce, you can use the soy sauce or seasoning sauce instead. And I will add 1 spoon the chili flakes. If you like more spicy, put more chili. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon some sugar, and I have the crushed peanut, so I'm going to add the 2 spoon, or you can add more if you want. Okay, add 2 spoon crushed peanut, and I'm going to add lime. I'm going to add about 3 of this sliced lime. Okay. That's it. After you seasoning, now we're done. Look like a lot of things going on, but trust me, when you make it at home, it's not gonna be looking a lot like this. It will be very nice and easy because you will use whatever you have already in the house to make your favorite the profile that you like. Okay, now I'm going to make the noodle and going to try this boulder noodle. Okay, I'm going to really mix them. Okay, for lime that I use about after I squeeze it, I use about 2 tablespoons. Alright, and now I'm going to taste the broth. Okay, so this is all about all the seasoning, your favorite taste that you like. So now I'm going to taste my broth after I put all the seasoning. I like how spicy and sour. Oh, remind me of the noodle vendor in Thailand again. Okay, finish the broth. That's the way I already like. Now I'm going to eat with the noodle. Okay, wow, it's a big spoon for me now. Nice and warm and hot and perfect for your cold day, and also at home. Put everything together. My favorite profile really remind me about the noodle vendor in Thailand. Okay, now everybody wait for this chicken noodle bowl. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.